My name is Monet. I wanted to come and show you guys this unit. This is going to be from Nadula Hair. They are sponsoring today's Get Ready With Me. We wanted to show you guys what the unit looked like inside as well. It does come with the combs, adjustable straps. I did add a band inside of the unit. And this is how the unit looks without it being glued. And I also want to show you guys what you get in your box when you order your unit. So first, let's go ahead and pull this wig out. It does come with a wig bag as well, so when you get done with it. Also, you have a wig band for securing your unit. And also, they threw in a few wig caps. They also sent some goodies, some lashes, some bands as well, and a satin cap, which I thought was nice. So let's go ahead and get into the unit. This is how the lace looked up close. I wanted to put it on my skin so that way you guys can see it. I always recommend still tinting your lace, but this is how the unit looked. So it's definitely giving me blowout realness. I'm actually obsessed with this, and I will say I don't know if I'm obsessed with the texture or it's more so the color for me, because this color is gorgeous. I love the way the hair takes to heat, and I don't have to pull out no baby hairs, and it works. Let me know what you guys think of this hair. Are you guys feeling it? Definitely check them out. I will leave their links down below for you guys, as well as any coupon codes. Don't forget, thumbs up this video, subscribe if you have not. Go ahead and join the family. Let me know down below what was your favorite part, this hair or this glam, and definitely let me know if you guys are gonna try this look out. Also, Nadula, thank you so much for sponsoring today's Get Ready With Me, and I will check y'all in my next video. Later.